Alright, so for, this is just a tour of the Rainforest Cafe. As you can tell right there. The mall that I currently go to, the one I'm at right now, actually still has a Rainforest Cafe still available. If those remember the 90s. 90s kids like me who were born, I know about Rainforest Cafe. For younger generation, it's basically like it's a rainforest themed restaurant. Back in my day, it used to be where they used to have like birds out here, exotic birds, real life snakes and stuff. Like they really have vamped it up and made it really like catch your attention out of this world. Now of course now since the money loss is just not as successful as they used to be, it's not as it's not as popular as it used to be. I used to go with my family. It used to be like an hour-long wait just to get into this restaurant. Now you can just walk in and get in like real quickly. So I'm probably gonna make a two-parter to this because there's a lot to show. So just show whatever I can, whatever I'm allowed to show. Keychains, stuffed plushies, got that stuff there. Monkeys, got that. And this is the thing that actually talks to you. There. All sorts of plushies, as you can tell. It's a bit noisy in here.
I'm Tracy Tree.
Got that there. A bunch of kids' toys, Imaginext, and some other things that let's play this and grow book with these now do. Also different shot glasses and bugs. You can tell the rainstorm in the restaurant. As we go in the restaurant, they turn the lights off and it has like strobe lights to mimic a like a tropical storm. So that's fun if you wonder why the lighting went off and on. That's why. T-Rex toys, like a Jurassic Park kind of thing. Got sloths, really big sloths. That's one of those like prehistoric sloths. Because back in the dinosaur age, actually used to be sloths, but these were huge, like insanely huge. Obviously, due to evolution, obviously they've gotten smaller. It's that. Got the crazy baby shark stuff. Some kid thing there with I'm not sure. It's not fully up to date with kids shows. More plushies, bracelets, some more stuff over here.